Alright, so what up? I'm Noah. This is just a light bar unboxing video for my Subaru that you saw in the previous video. So it is already open because we were looking at how to mount it, but this is just a 30-inch light bar. eBay is the best, is our friend. It comes with a full wiring harness, fuses, relays, everything, switch. So it's a 30-inch light bar. It comes with four by 6 pods or something like that. Comes with all the hardware. Comes with everything you need to basically mount it. And then one of the next videos we'll go into basically how we're going to mount it, where we're going to mount it on the car. I need to get more light bars too, but basically we're just going to figure out how to, through these next couple days, we're going to see about how to actually mount it to the car. We're going to have a couple up on the basket, probably one in the grill, but we'll go into that in a further video. So, yeah.